Hi guys, I'm Water2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking, or should I say single wafer picking, an old looking wafer type lock. It's a lock sent to me in a care package not so long ago by Kind Motorbiker on our UK Lock Sport forum. It's lovely looking. There's no sort of wording stamped on there anywhere from sort of lock manufacturer, but just on the top is stamped made in England, and you're probably not going to see that. Hopefully you can see a bit of it. Don't know if the shackle's in the way, but it does actually look like a vintage Yale type lock. I'll close that back up so you can see it's locked up. Sorry about the scratches and gouges there guys. That one is from taking a C-clip or circlip off an unbranded lock. It was full of spool pins, and taking it off you gouge your hands. Don't have a circlip remover. Those there are from taking magnets out of old broken hard drives. Pick baby, my little boy is getting right into magnets, and that's the sort of thing you get out of them. He attaches paper clips and all sorts to these, but they are very strong. That's one that was broken when taking it apart. Straight up, and again. One out of a speaker, and they are that strong, they literally pick this thing up. Don't want to throw it around too much, but that is really sticking to that. So with my lock spots I'm stabbing myself, and from taking magnets out of hard drives I'm also slashing and stabbing myself. The things you do for kids. Let's have a go at getting this open. You can start front to back. I've literally just got in from work not long ago and thought I'd do another video. But there's a nice springy keyway on that. Like I say, I start front to back on this. You can go back to front, but sometimes you've got to nip backwards and forwards going back to front. Difficult to explain. If I go in front to back, I then just, once I feel the drop on the plug as I'm going through, I just have to nip back to sort of wafer 1 to set it, but the tension has to be spot on. Let's see how we get on. So tension on slightly, and I found every now and again if I'm going back to sort of wafer 1 I could have a bit too much tension on it, locks up, and then even without re-picking it, now and again I can sort of release and then push back down and it opens. We'll see how we get on. That was literally front to back. Popped open really nicely there. I didn't have to hit wafer 1 again on that because I'd set it perfectly with the tension first. So also in a video I did the other week, Amy Gordon, lovely Amy Gordon, sent Pick Baby a care package with some lovely homebrew picks in. So Amy, I just thought I'd show you these. These are the hacksaw blades used that I get from work, and I think there's enough there for 12 picks. As you can see, they're very flexible. What I've done with this one is literally marked out on there. That's the length of like a Peterson pick or a Southard, so you're going to get 2 picks out of these, and with these there you'll be able to make yourself 12 picks. I do have a few more of these knocking about, so I will send sort of more to you every now and again as I get them. I don't know if you want to have me send that small off-cut bit there. It might be useful for making a little jiggle or something, but just let me know. So these will be coming out in the post here with some Peterson picks, locks and a couple of other bits and pieces. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and as always, please keep it legal.